Shwmae!
Congratulations on reaching Uned 8. If you've stuck with the course this far, you will have actually come quite a long way. So well done. Da iawn chi.
Uned 8, or Unit 8, is a revision unit, and to begin with, you've revised some of the patterns you've learnt from Units 1 to 7 and tested your knowledge. You can, of course, look back at the recap videos for help with the content of these units, and remember, the more revision you do, the more you learn and remember.
In Uned 8, you also started to learn some useful phrases to use when you're asking for permission to do something. You have learned the phrase gafi, may I, gafi. For example, gafi dali, may I pay, gafi dali.
Gafi adael, may I leave, or can I leave? Gafi adael. You'll also hear the informal pronunciation, gai.
Bore da, gai siarad ar prifathro os gwelwch yn dda. May I speak to the head teacher, please? Bore da, gai siarad ar prifathro os gwelwch yn dda. Just as a side note, remember that an a with a to bach or a little roof means with. So siarad ar prifathro means to speak with a head teacher.
Gadael neges means leave a message. Gai adael neges I rheolwr os gwelwch yn dda. Can I leave a message for the manager, please? Gai adael neges I rheolwr os gwelwch yn dda.
The answers to these types of questions are cewch, yes you can, or na cewch, no you cannot, for the formal or plural form.
Or, the informal answers for someone you are on friendly terms with is ke, yes you can, yes you may, or na che, no you can't.
The other useful thing to remember is that you can use gai for when you're asking for something.
So really what that means is that you can use gai either before a noun or names, or before verbs, doing words. For example, before a verb, gai weld, may I see, or before a noun, gai baned, can I have a cuppa? Notice there is a soft mutation after the gai, so the g and gweld disappears completely, and the p in paned softens to a b. Gai baned.
Once again, the informal answers ke, na che can be applied, or the formal cewch, na cewch, if a formal response is more suitable.
Finally, you have learned how to say where you work using the words yn and mewn.
Both yn and mewn mean in, although they are used in a slightly different way. Yn is used if you're talking about a specific place. Say a specific bank, you'd say, dwi'n gweithio yn y bank. I work in the bank. Dwi'n gweithio yn y bank. Dwi'n gweithio yn yr ysbyty. I work in the hospital. Dwi'n gweithio yn yr ysbyty.
However, if you were talking about a non-specific place, you'd use mewn. Dwi'n gweithio mewn bank. I work in a bank. Dwi'n gweithio mewn bank. Dwi'n gweithio mewn ysbyty. I work in a hospital. Dwi'n gweithio mewn ysbyty. I work in a shop. Dwi'n gweithio mewn shop.
So that's just a short recap of the unit so far. We'll see you again for the video on Uned now.
But before then, be sure to test yourself on the vocab in the following sequence. Pob hwyl am y tro.
Actores, actoresau. Athrawes, athrawesau. Ffatri, ffatrioedd. Fflat, fflatiau. Gorsaf, gorsafoedd. Munud, munudau. Nyrs, nyrsys. Rheolwraig. actor, actorion. Athro, athrawon. Bachgen, bechgyn. Camera, camerau. Cogydd, cogyddion. Cyngerdd, cyngerddau. Derbynydd. Gwesty, gwestïau. Maes parcio. Meddyg, meddygon. Pennaeth. Plismon, plismyn. Prifathro. Rheolwr, rheolwyr. Rhywun. Tocyn, tocynnau. Adolygu. Cadw. Gofyn. Talu. Allan, mas. Ar gael. Caerdydd. Drwodd. Mewn.